Wheel bearing is bad. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to replace this old school hub bearing. Old school wheel bearings. This here is our wheel bearing right here. It comes out in one piece. We're gonna use our slide hammer. Slide that in, Terry. We're gonna use our slide hammer to slide hammer it out. I want you guys to take notice the difference, the position of the bearing right here. The bearing opposed to this outer flange here. Go ahead and slide hammer it out. And that's it. So anytime we do these axle bearings, we always use an axle saver bearing. This here is the old bearing. See the position of where it sits at on the axle? If you look at this axle actually wore right here. This here is your axle saver bearing. Look at the difference of the position of where the bearing is. It flips. You have the bearing riding here on the outside and the sills farther inside. Now you're not going to sit in the wear pattern mark.